Hey future millionaires, this video is going to help you generate anywhere from 5 to 10K in your event space per month. So keep watching. All right, y'all, we're going to get right into it. But first off, if you are interested in all things event space ownership and you are looking for a mentor in that area, make sure you text mentor to this number so that you can tap in and reach out and speak to someone in our team to see if our mentorship program is what you were looking for. Okay, so let's get right into it. Number one, guys, of how to price your event space so that you can, maximize your earning potential is going to be, you need to know your numbers, okay? You need to know your numbers. You need to know what your cost will be to maintain and run this business, okay, guys? So some of the things that you're gonna have to take into consideration to know your numbers is gonna be your rent, your insurance, your utilities, your cleaning, and your general maintenance and miscellaneous fees, right? Say, if you're doing any kind of work or, you might hire a vendor or something like that. So once you have that number in your head, guys, then you're able to price your packages according to that to make sure that you're making a profit or you're going to make break even. Okay. So first off, step one is to know your numbers. Okay. All right, let's go to step two. Step two is going to be, one of my favorite things is to do market research, okay? You need to be able to go around your venues, the vicinity of other venues in the area of your venue to find out what their prices look like, guys. Because at the end of the day, those are your competition, right? But that's gonna give you a gauge to say, I can price my packages according to this, or I can price my venue according to this, okay? So you need to do market research, and my two ways or methods of doing market research is incognito, where you're going in as a potential client, or you go straight up as a business owner, letting them know that you are opening also, and you could be a collaborative partner with them going forward, okay? So do your market research. All right, number three, guys, is to determine your types of packages, like your pricing system, right? So there's a multitude of ways that you can price out your space, right? And you should use a mix of these items, right? So one of them is going to be a Monday through Thursday hourly pricing slot, right? So you may have individuals that want to rent it for a fashion show, a luncheon, a work suites, a aerobics class, maybe a church meeting, or maybe a women's group or a book club or a wine tasting. There's so many things that could happen during the week in your space that could bring you in an extra $200, $300, whatever. And it would be something that would be great. Obviously, it's revenue, right? It's money coming in. So just have availabilities Monday through Thursday of hourly rentals, right? Then you're going to be the second model that you can use to price your venue is going to be your package system, right? We always hear about packages of any space we go to, right? A low, middle, high package system. So inside of those packages system, there's going to be different value, and the higher you pay, the more value you get, or the more items you get, or the more time you get. So just be aware of what is inside of those packages. And inside of the mentorship, we go into great detail of teaching you how to create the value so that you can maximize your earning, and that the clients will not settle at the low package. They'll go to the package that you would desire them to be, which is usually the middle and the high package. So I teach you how to create your own packages in the mentorship, okay? Last but not least, you can price according to the type of events. So for example, a wedding, you can price that higher, but with pricing it higher, you will be giving them more value, right? So for example, you could probably become an officiant in your state, and that would be amazing because you'd offer that to your clients. That's one less thing they got to worry about, and you're going to get paid for that system that service that you offer, okay? And then another thing, when it comes to type of events, you may have a discounted event for, say, a child's party, 10 and under, and that would be specifically for AM blocks. I would suggest you put those at your AM time slots on the desired day that they have that, okay? So just another rule of thumb, last thing I'm going to say in regards to pricing is that your premium days, guys, is going to be your Saturday, right? That's your premium day, right? and you need to make sure that that day is priced higher than all the other days, because that's literally the first day that's gonna go when it comes to bookings. So make sure you're getting the max amount of money for that day, and you're not just giving it away. Okay, guys? So this is just part one of how to price your event space packages to maximize your earnings. So make sure you tap in. And like I said, if you are interested in mentorship in regards to all things event space ownership, text mentor to this number here so that you can get on the phone with someone from my team, and then we could see if you are eligible to be a part of the mentorship. I'd love to help you along your journey. So guys, make sure you tap into the next video to see the other ways that you can maximize your earning. And I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. Bye-bye.